Watch out.
Bird, you better come down here under the awning. Yeah, look at that. You can see these coming this way. Yeah.
I called my husband earlier and was like, you guys need to get home. And he's like, sun's shining.
Shut up.
Like,
Oh,
Let
did
me
you
tell
just see
you
that?
something. When I moved our cars, I'm not lying to you. Like, I came out here, moved my car, sun was shining, pulled around, went inside. I grabbed, I thought, I'm going to move Laura's car. I went and got her keys. By the time I came back out here to move your car, it was already like dark. And I thought, holy crap, it was like 5 minutes.
oh, she's been into me.
Yeah.
We left Howard in there. I go, Howard, you got the floor.
I know.
He goes, okay.
There's nobody out there.
I know. Ooh. That tree's really blocking the view.
I think it was
She said it was talking about downtown Edmond, yeah. I might be coming your direction, though. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
It's hard because at one point they were saying it was headed towards Memorial from north, but then, you know, it's already gone way past Mercy, and it looked like from the picture that it was going to head northeast.
We might want to leave all those chairs here.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
I think it's supposed to be bad for tomorrow. But today,
Yeah.
like, it's 7 to 8. Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, all right. Can you just call me if you need me? I want to stay. Huh?